Welcome back to another tutorial from Hook'em Creations. My name is Amanda and today we are going to talk about how to do the slip stitch. First thing you're going to do is take your hook and yarn and make a slip knot. If you need reminders of how to do things again, please go back to my previous videos and watch again. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a couple chain stitches. I'm going to do 10. We'll do 10. We've been doing 10, so let's do 10. Alright, from here I'm going to do one additional chain stitch, chain 1, and in the next chain, so 2 chains from your hook, so 1, 2, I'm going to take my hook and put it through in the middle of that chain, put it through, grab that yarn like we've been doing the last couple videos with single, double, and treble crochet, and pull it through. Instead of yarn over or anything like that, you're just going to take that first loop closest to the hook and slip it through the loop. Again, push through, grab the yarn, pull through, and you're going to pull through the second loop. One more time, nice and slow. You're going to push through the chain, grab the yarn, pull through. You're going to take that first loop and pull through the second loop. Now I'm going to do a little bit faster. And there you go, you just did a row of slip stitches. Now slip stitches can also be helpful when you're doing things like making baskets, like if you're working things in a round and you need to finish up the round and make sure it looks nice and level. A slip stitch comes in handy for that. So there you go. That's how you do a slip stitch. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell and comment below. And until next time, happy crafting!